Hello everybody. Today we will be solving the homework question 10A, B, C and D from chapter 1.12 in the Jacaranda Maths as a quest 10 plus 10A purple looking book. But before we get into that, we do not have a sponsor. Don't buy these picks, the handles hurt like shit. Go to covertinstruments.com to buy log picks. Don't go to Southwood. Anyways, that's Samuel Smith. See, they're not even effective. Anyways, now, today we are learning about logarithms. Put this magnet up here. Now, if you've seen our previous lesson about log laws, good. If you haven't, go watch that right now. Anyways, let's start off with 10A. Now, log 2x plus log 2, 4 equals log 2, 20. Now, as these all have the same base, we know that will be pretty easy to find x. So to start off, we will put these into the power form and out of log, except for that one, because let's leave that for now. Log 2x plus, now, yep. Wait a second. We'll put this one in there, not these two yet. Log 2, 4 equals. Then, log now. We aren't doing that quite yet, actually, because Samuel Smith. Now, we are actually, before we do any of that, we're going to make it so, instead of this being here, we're going log x equals log 220 minus, because plus here over here, bit loud, we're going to make it minus log 2, 4. That's wrong. Sorry. Now we have log 2x, and due to the log laws, 20 minus 4, therefore log 2x equals log 2, and because it's minus 4, it will be 20 over 4.
Bit hard, isn't it?
Let's see what you've done. You've probably been cheating this entire time.
I tried that one now.
Oh, so you gave up?
I tried doing that.
Wrong.
So he's bad at
What do you mean I am bad at math? Okay, scratch that. Instead of this, just to spite Samuel, we're doing it a different math method. We are putting all of them onto one side.
That's literally what I'm doing.
Shade. Now, we have plus log 2, 4 equals log, not equals, minus log 2, 20 equals 0. Yeah, good. Now, oopsies. Did you just say it again?
I think
Samuel is racist,
the answer,
everyone.
guys. If you don't have time for this nonsense.
So, now we have 4, because that times that, 4x over, because it's negative, 20 equals 0. Yes. Now, we can simplify this down by dividing both sides by 4. So now we just have log 2x over 5 equals 0. Thank you. Now that we're here,
Why would you tell us? Wait, do we have any duh? If we have duh,
holy shit, Vasili, you're at 5 minutes and you're on the first question. Shut up. So, now we are over here, we can... Samuel, let me... I'm teaching. Hold on. Now that we are... This is why we don't like Samuel, guys. This is why Samuel is an opposition of the channel. Do not endorse this guy. So, now that we are over here, we can figure out, due to log law shenanigans, that 2 to the power of 0 is equal to x to the power of 5, due to stuff. Because that's the base, that's the power, and that is the answer. So now 1 equals x over 5, 1 over 5, that's not it. 1 times 5 equals x, that means 5 equals x. Now we can move on to b. Thank you very much for that. Now, log 3 plus log 5 is log 18. Okay, we'll be employing a similar strategy for this one. Log 3x over 8. Is that it? Log 3 is supposed to be a 5 plus log 5 x equals log 5 18. Sorry. Now, Samuel is over there still. We are doing a very similar strategy. So first of all, of course, make it log 3 plus log 5x minus 4 log 5 18 equals 0. Yeah. Then we just do log 5 to the power of 3 plus x. So 3 times x and minus over 18 equals 0. That is a 6. So now, I'll be asking you guys a question that Samuel Smith will not know in any circumstance. How can we simplify 3x over 18?
I don't know.
Exactly.
In any circumstance.
Anyways, we can divide both of these by 3 to give, that becomes 1, that becomes 6. So now we have log 5x over 6 equals 0, and due to what we did just before, we can figure this out. Log, not even log, we can do 5 to the power of 0 is equal to x over 6, so 1 is equal to x over 6, which means 6 equals x. Very good. If you want to, you can take a brain break right now by pausing the video and doing something productive, like throwing shade onto Samuel Smith. Shade. Anyways, back to the video. Third question. Log 3 x minus log 3 to 2 is log 3 5. It's the same bloody question. So, log 3 x minus log 3 2 is log 3 5. Yep. Now, it's literally the exact same thing, so I'm going to actually skip a step, and just to make it a bit more bearable, so 5x over 2, that's right? Yeah. Did I miss anything? No, I didn't. Except, since that's actually positive here, I meant to write that 5 down here. 5 times 2 equals 0. So log 3x over 10 equals 0, which means, and same as always, 3 to the power of 0 is equal to x over 10, therefore 1 equals x over 10, which means 10 equals x. It's too easy. Samuel probably had to cheat. Why is he watching the BMX? Nothing. It's just you're watching it. Anyways, now, fourth question. It's the same thing. It's always the same thing. See, coming in for 0 again. Yeah, it is. So, same thing as always. Log 10 x minus log 10 4 equals log 10 2. Same thing as always. Log 10, and because that's positive here, it will become negative over there, which means it is divided by 2 as well. So log 10 x over 4 times 2 equals 0. Yeah, and and x over 8 equals 0, and 10 to the power 0 is x over 8, which means 1 equals x over 8, and then that means 8 equals x. That concludes our tutorial. Just remember all the log laws that we have taught you in the past. Buy from covertinstruments.com. Their handles are a lot better.